Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Wesley, $1 billion virgin here. Imagine creating one image and getting paid for it. And I'm talking about 200 bucks, 300 bucks. And the great thing about this, you don't need a camera at all. You can do this with your iPhone, Galaxy phone, Google phone, laptop, and it works very well. So the first site you need to go to is what is called Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark allows you to basically create images all day, every day for free with a click of a button, okay? You don't have to get Adobe Photoshop. You don't have to spend hours doing this. This site here makes it easy for a very, very new person to jump online, do some clicks, and I'm gonna show you what site that you need to do to upload it to, and they're gonna pay you hundreds and hundreds of dollars just by doing that. And like I said, it's super easy to do. You can make money online as soon as tonight here, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go step by step and show you how to do this. Listen, go to start now. Can you do that for me? Thank you. Appreciate it. Continue with Google, okay? I have a Google account, so I'm gonna continue with my Google account here. And I already have an account. This is an account that I created today. Done, I'm already in there. Are you guys with me here? So I'm in the account, right? I'm getting ready to make some money online, but I'm gonna show you how this works. Listen, on this site here, you can create an Instagram story, Instagram post. What do you think all my images come from online? On my Instagram account, YouTube account, as well as you guys comment below. Well, I just use this because I'm not a designer, right? I'm not that smart. I just use other people's software and sites for free that you're gonna use right now today to design and get paid in the process, okay? See, stuff like this, it gets created in seconds. You don't have to spend a lot of time trying to figure this stuff out because you have sites like this that you can go to project, right? Create a project like here, and you can find a design of your liking based off this criteria. Then I'm going to show you on a brand new site that you're going to upload the design to the site, and they're going to pay you out cash. Is that cool? As long as you got PayPal, they're going to pay you out online because you're making money online right now just for uploading images, okay? Are you with me so far? This is what you're going to use to do the design with, okay? Now, the site that's going to pay you out is Design Crowd. And I know some of you are always asking in the comments below, Wesley, who pays you? Where do you get the money from? Well, listen, I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? So basically, this is called designcrowd.com. It's a little bit better than Fiverr because many people are not aware of this site. But as you can see here, if I go to designers, let me prove to you that people around the world are making money using this site because a lot of people are not using it here. If you see here, you got people in Serbia, right? $34,000. United Kingdom, $23,000. Even in India, $20,000. Romania. So what I'm saying here, because you might want to smash that like button because it's worldwide, baby. All around the planet, people are using this site to basically upload their designs and they get paid for it. Is that cool? Does that make sense? That's all you're gonna do. You're gonna get paid for it. Instead of putting a resume together and uploading your resume to all these job sites, you're gonna go here to Design Crowd. You're gonna go to jobs. When you go to jobs, you're gonna click on things such as graphic design. As you can see here, it's so many things you can do, right? Every day someone sends me a DM and say, Wesley, I can't do nothing. I'm not smart. I don't have any skills. Listen, it's a variety of jobs here that you can just sit, lay in your bed. You don't even have to wear clothes. You don't have to wear a suit. You don't have to wear that stupid looking uniform that you wear every single day at your job. You can go here, go to graphic design here, right? Wesley's showing you the love here. You scroll down here, as you can see, it's 30 jobs available right now. This job pays $930. All you have to do is click on the actual job itself, right? But you need to make sure you log in. So let's go ahead and get an account. I'm gonna get an account right now. You need to get an account as well. Go ahead. Get a free account. Okay, let's just do this. Make sure you put in your correct email address, and after that, you're gonna go to a page like this, right? I'm just showing you guys how to log in, right? You put your first and last name here. And let me just put anything right here. Maybe you can put big head. Let's put big head. That's you. You with your big old forehead. Look, here we go. Look, it's going to pay you out in PayPal or Payoneer. I'll lay PayPal money. It's easy money. create an account, and boom, you're in. So you're in the project here. These are the people that's going to pay you $930. And the great thing about this project here, they're going to give you all the images that you need to do your creations that you're going to upload here to sparkadobe.com. Does that make sense? Right? Are you guys with me here? Listen, let's go back to jobs again. Let's find another job here. You can spend time in graphic design. And what I like to do, like when I was struggling, I used to do this, honestly. I used to go to sites like this, okay? This is kind of fairly new to me. And I used to just go do these little jobs here because it was free to apply for. It was free to upload my design. And I would win 80% of the time. And you know why? Because see, most people, when they see stuff like this, they just say, I can't do that. I can't design nothing. I'm not smart, blah, 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 right? But me, since I was smart, because I watched a video like this, I went to a site like this, spark.adobe.com, and I just basically let the software design it for me. I saved it, and I went back to Design Crowd or something similar. I uploaded, and then they paid me money. That's $190 that they pay on that job here. $110 they pay on this job here. Say if you did a job every hour at $110, that's $800 a day. That's $16,000 per month. How many of you can use $16,000 per month? It's very simple to do. But you know, a lot of you, the reason why you never make money, because you never take action. You never make money online because you don't take freaking action. It's the reason why you never make money online. You're watching the video. You're listening to my voice. I'm showing you proof that people are actually making money. And look, all of these jobs. You can choose whatever job. Say if you're a person that's good in flower design, brochure design. You can just sit here. You don't have to apply for jobs. You just spend some time here, right? And use the site that makes it easy for you to create a design in seconds, and you upload before everybody else and get paid. Does that make sense? How many of you can do this? Okay. How many of you can do this? Listen, I'm going to be very honest with you. This is not meant for you to make $1 million, okay? If you're a teenager, you can do this. If you're 20 years old, 30, 40, you can do this, okay? But it's not meant for you to make $1 million, right? It's meant for you to leave your job and understand that making money online is very simple to do as long as you apply yourself. Listen, I'm a young man, black kid from Houston, Texas. I have no degree. No type of specialized education, but I worked over $30 million. Why? Because I just take action. It's not about smarts. It's not about intelligence. It's just about getting it done. Now, all you got to do is just say, let's go in the comments below. If you're going to try this and do this, comment below and say, let's go. I don't want to hear anybody complaining. I don't want to hear anybody telling me what they can't do. All I want to hear is, let's go. Because while you complaining about something, somebody's getting rich. Okay? Period. All right. Now listen. If you want my mentorship, I will leave a link under this video in the description below. You can click it if you want me to mentor you. It's not for everybody. If you're looking to learn on how I create products online, very simple. In 45 days, I can take a 5-year-old baby and I can help them make $5,000 to $10,000 a month. If they can listen to English and they can understand it, they can do it, okay? I can take a teenager. It doesn't matter. I can take a 60-year-old woman, okay? If she can understand English, in that link below, I can show you how to make $10,000 a month. And that's not a lot of money, but it's a lot of money for a lot of people. All right, guys, I love you guys so much. Listen, if you got any value in this video, please sub to the channel right now, please. And like the video, share it out as well. I'll be back soon. In the comments below, let me know if you have any questions here. And remember, in my last video, I gave out some cash apps. So make sure you watch the 2 videos that you see right now to make more money. Because understand, the best income is residual income. The best way to make money is to make it in your sleep. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let's go.